11 people. No venture capital. No office full of suits. And somehow, one of the most profitable businesses on the planet, per employee. It is called Hyperliquid, a crypto exchange that runs entirely on its own blockchain, with no company sitting in the middle. Traders come here to trade perpetual futures, which are basically bets on where prices go next, often with borrowed money called leverage. It feels as fast as the giant exchanges, but nobody holds your money for you. The machine itself does everything. Now the fun part, the matchmaking. Every exchange is really just a giant list of buyers and sellers, called an order book. Buyers post the price they will pay. Sellers post the price they will accept. The gap in the middle is where deals happen. Hyperliquid matches them with a simple rule. Best price goes first, and if prices tie, whoever showed up earliest wins. When your buy order crosses the lowest asking price, the engine fills it instantly, sweeping through sellers until your order is done. Here is the twist. Most so-called decentralized exchanges quietly match orders on private servers. Hyperliquid does the matching on the blockchain itself. Its custom engine handles over 100,000 orders per second, confirming trades in under a second. Nobody thought that was possible on-chain. And there is always someone to trade against, because a community vault called HLP constantly quotes both sides of the book. So where is the money? Hyperliquid takes a tiny fee on every trade, fractions of a penny, multiplied by billions of dollars in volume. Those fractions added up to roughly $900 million in 1 year, and over $1 billion in total this summer. Now the weird part. Nearly all of that money, about 97%, is used to buy back its own token, called Hype. And instead of selling tokens to venture capitalists, Hyperliquid gave 31% of them away to its own users. Customers became owners. A Harvard professor named Michael Porter spent his life asking one question: why do some companies stay on top while others get copied? His answer was competitive advantage, doing something valuable that rivals cannot easily imitate. Hyperliquid, on purpose or not, checks his boxes. First, network effects. Deep markets attract traders, and traders make markets deeper. Every new user makes the next one more likely to come. Second, it owns the whole machine. Copying an app takes weeks. Copying a custom blockchain, an engine, and an ecosystem takes years. Third, switching costs. More than 100 projects now build on Hyperliquid. Leaving is not deleting an app, it is leaving a city. The moat is being tested. Rivals like Aster and Lighter are paying traders to switch, and Hyperliquid's share of the market has slipped. Porter would not be surprised. He warned that every advantage invites attack, and the winners are the ones who keep widening the moat. Hyperliquid's answer is a flywheel. More volume means more fees mean more buybacks, and a stronger token pulls in more builders. 11 people took on the biggest exchanges in the world and gave the profits back to their users. That is the whole story.